Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing with you the cosmic sound resonance method for manifesting almost anything. The sound is called ARAKARA. I am explaining it to you now in details how it works. The sounds ARAKARA have the ability to attract everything to you. The sound is the embodiment of desire. Ra symbolizes the fire energy, and Ka is an important principle of materiality. The sounds Arakara can transform a psychological reality into a material reality. When you vibrate with the sounds Arakara, your thoughts also begin to vibrate with the sounds Arakara. This is the key. Your thoughts will now have the ability to manifest in a three-dimensional form. Chant Arakara for 5 minutes continuously, visualizing electric violet light emanating from the Vishuddha chakra, that is throat center, throat chakra, aligning all chakras till your whole body resonates and vibrates. I show you how to chant Arakara. Arakara, 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 Arakara. This is how you can chant, and this can be done up to 5 times a day. You please do it regularly and do share your experiences in the comment section below. Also, stay connected with us because we are coming up with the ancient and safe methods and videos for many different aspects related to your life, which will be helpful to you. See you.